Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am here with a new topic, and my topic is birds and their houses. Hen. A hen lives in a coop. Eagle. Eagle lives in an aviary. Crow. A crow lives in a nest. Duck. A duck lives in a pond. Pigeon. A pigeon lives in a dovecote. Owl. Owl lives in a hollow tree. Sparrow. A sparrow lives in a nest. Penguin. A penguin lives in an iceberg burrow. Woodpecker. A woodpecker lives in a hole in tree. Swallow. A swallow lives in a chimney nest. Don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel for amazing videos and fun facts. Stay entertained and learn something new every day.